Welcome to our guide on how to start using dogs on Telegram. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to get started, ensuring you can easily integrate dogs into your Telegram experience. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed on your device. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and log in. Next, search for the Dogs bot within the Telegram app. Simply tap on the search bar at the top and type dogs. You should see the official Dogs bot in the search results. Tap on the Dogs bot to open the chat interface. Here, you'll find a Start button at the bottom of the screen. Click it to initiate your interaction with the Dogs bot. Once you've started the bot, you'll receive a welcome message with instructions. Follow these instructions to configure your settings and preferences, ensuring the bot works seamlessly for your needs. Explore the various commands and features offered by the Dogs bot. You can type /help to get a list of available commands, which will guide you through the bot's functionalities. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out for support. The Dogs community is active, and you can find help through forums or by contacting the bot's developers. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy all the benefits of using dogs on Telegram. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your experience with this versatile bot.